Hi friends, this is @IOldMock and today we are with the OPPO K3 and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the device, but the box what we are seeing is not the retail unit, this is a review unit. And now talking about the box, we have seen a similar packaging in OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. So now we will unbox the device and see what are the box content. Also at the same time we will see what is OPPO K3 is going to offer, what are the features and few more things including the OS, battery, hardware specification, each and everything in detail. Here you can see the box is little bit large. It is not the normal boxing what we have seen. Here is the paperwork what we are getting inside the box. There's basically the user guide and also the warranty card. It is coming. This will be inside the box when you are purchasing the device. In the video you can pause the video and check the SAR rating if you want to. Now coming to the device, here you can see the fingerprint sensor is on the display, under the display. We will talk about this later. Now I've just taken out the wrapper and let the device get booted. Once it is booted, we can see what are the contents inside it. Here the other things are, it also comes with the accessory. This is the back cover. This is a premium kind of back cover. We haven't seen something earlier before, and it definitely has a lot of protection for the cover also at the same time. This is the WOOC charging 3.0. You can pause and check out the rating for it. It will be a 20-watt charger. This is the Type-C cable. It is also WOOC cable. And skipping that, the last part what we are getting is the SIM card ejector tool. And after that, we have been setting up the device. The device has been set up. This is how the fingerprint sensor will work. And the device has a notchless, it doesn't have any notch or anything. You are getting a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and on the top you are getting an elevated camera. There is also noise cancellation mic and the elevated camera. This is how it works, how it comes out from the device. So we will talk about that also later. Talking about the screen to body ratio, the device comes with a 91.9% screen to body ratio, and here you can see how the elevation of the camera is working on. Coming onto the side, the power button comes with a green accent, and also there is a SIM card slot. This is coming with the dual SIM card slot, not expandable memory. And on coming to the back, it has a glossy and plastic finish at the back. It is coming with the dual rear camera setup, 16 plus 2 megapixel, which is having aperture f1.75 plus f2.4. This is the aperture. On the side we are getting the volume rocker keys. It comes with the Type-C charging port in the bottom, you can see. It also has a 3.5mm jack, and the speaker grills are also at the bottom. Here I have used the cover and showing you how the cover fits. It is a little bit a premium cover, what it is not an ordinary silicone case what we have seen. There are three colors coming for the device. It will be Aurora blue color, there will be a jet black color and color. This is the blue one. Talking about the RAM and memory, there will be two configurations coming for the phone. It will be 6GB, 64GB, 8GB and 128GB. Here you have seen how the face unlock is working. We will try and test it in the low light scenarios at the same time. Now going to the settings, we will check out the settings, what is about the phone here. So going to the specification, it comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. It has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, octa-core Snapdragon 710. The device what we are having is 6GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. Talking about the battery, it comes with a 3765 mAh battery with WOOC 3.0. The device weighs around 191 gram. Now coming to the device, it comes the ColorOS 6, which is running on Android 9.05. We have seen this features already. I'm just switching on the battery percentage so that it gets easier to get noticed. Now talking about detail of the ColorOS, we will check out in another video. Now I'm going to the camera. I will go a quick recap. It comes with the rear camera 16 plus 2 megapixel, back front it has a 16 megapixel. Now in the UI what we are getting, it can shoot 4K video, and I will just zoom in so that you guys can look a proper view on the camera. It has a SDR support, and here you can see there are a few modes. Going to the modes first, let me get a prop so that you guys can have a better look or picture on it. The photo can be gone to 1x to 2x. This is how you can go. Now in the top what you are getting, it has an AI which will recognize what is the scenario. It can show you green plants, macro lens is using at the time. Here you can see these are the small detailing features what the device is offering. It also has a dazzle color which is bringing you a dynamic color range. It comes with some filters. We will not go each and everything, but the AI scene recognition, I will recommend you to switch it on so that you guys can have a better look on the device. Coming to the modes, the device comes with a pretty normal mode in the front, and you can see there is a photo mode, portrait mode. The portrait mode is basically when you have a person or somebody in the background, it will take a picture, but it needs some distance for that. So I recommend you, you have to take a minimum distance for taking a portrait mode. There is a video mode. Going to the video mode, the interesting thing that it comes with a 4K support. It also has a full HD and HD support for shooting a video. So those who like to shoot a video, 4K shooting is there present in the device. It also has a night mode, panorama mode, expert mode. It also has time-lapse slow-mo. Now going to the front camera, here you can see we are into the front camera. It comes with the elevating camera. You can shoot full HD or HD video. It also has a filters in it. You can see the menu, what are required, what you are getting inside the menu, but I'm not going into detail. We are also getting a portrait mode. In this you can definitely edit with the AI. You can change the skin and toning it. This is what we are getting inside the camera. The OPPO has already told that it has a AI beauty mode in the front camera. We have to try and test that and we'll let you know. The device also comes with a Dolby Atmos sound, so the audio quality is really great while using. There's one thing, when the elevating camera is coming up, you can see a LED light flashing on. So as far as the OS is concerned, here you can see you are getting an app drawer in it. We still don't know the price for the device, but it will be going on sale through Amazon.in. And this is all we have in the OPPO K3. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.